Clinic Assist provides a custom form building function so that you can create screening and portal forms to your exacting requirements. There are no prerequisites to form building. This tutorial focuses on basic form creation for appointments, so let's begin. Select Settings, Assessments, and add a new assessment. Give your form an appropriate name and make it active. Select to apply your new form to an existing product if you wish. Form structures are built by adding and removing rows. 3 primary functions are available as the pencil, the divider, and the cross. Select the pencil button to open the cell control features. Give your form a heading. Use the divider to create more cells within a row. You can divide and subdivide according to your form requirements and complexity. Remove entire cells with the trash button. Adjust the cell size using the arrows to the side of a cell. Add a choice selection option. This can be as multiple choice tick boxes, radio buttons for single selections, or a drop-down list. Add an image that you can draw on. This is particularly useful with anatomical images where you can highlight problem areas, for example. Save and preview your form prior to use in your appointments. Clinic Assist from Data Partnerships.